Hey guys, finally Nokia 6 2018 is here. We know the Nokia 6 2018 is coming tomorrow. The device has even been certified by TANA, which reveal all of its key specs. Still, this couple of new teasers is definitely worth checking out. The teasers don't reveal anything new. It's already known that the phone will come with 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage in addition to the 64 GB variant. And the one just indicates the unveiling is just a day away. Some of the other specs that have already been revealed including Snapdragon 630, 5.5-inch screen with full HD resolution, and 16 megapixel back camera and 8 megapixel front camera. And the Twitter leakster Shabir Khan today leaked the new image of Nokia 6 2018, which revealed how it will look like. So here are some information about Nokia 6 2018, which will be launched tomorrow. So don't forget to subscribe my channel for daily tech videos, and if you guys enjoyed this video, then thumbs up and see you soon.